Well, this is Grainger's Worcester, made in around 1870 in the Broseley or Temples design. Originally made as a muffin dish with this characteristic domed lid for toasting your muffins and then keeping them warm as you were producing them from an open fire. It's a beautiful piece of porcelain china. It's well marked as well, typical of Grainger's work around this period. Nice orangey burnt umber design. There is a little bit of fading just here on this one section where you can see the orange has worn a little with handling over the years. A nice recessed channel to hold the lid, as you can see, moulded into the design, and the base plate just with an impressed Worcester mark there, Grainger's shield marks, and the number 11. Nice pattern on the base plate, but absolutely very clean. And the lid, a nice domed little lid with button handle, finial handle, a bit of moulding here just on it in fine condition. Transfer wear on this and design really fine. And there you have the Grainger & Co. Worcester shield marks, Grainger's Worcester, on the underside of the lid. Tiny little, just antique, little bit of cracking just here, just goes through to about 5 mils. It's stable, it's antique, it's got a little bit of staining in it, but that is the only condition note we've got on this piece, and it's absolutely beautiful display piece. We have got trios available in this design, and the pattern number is not marked on this piece but on one of those. That's where we've got the pattern reference number from Grainger's for. I would repurpose this as a small vegetable serving tureen for the table if I was going to use this as part of a dinner set, but really these were made and are now collected. People do collect muffin dishes just as a line, if you like, that they have an interest in. They display beautifully on dressers, and a variety of different patterns and manufacturers made these all around sort of late 19th century through to the early 20th, but they died out as the muffin business and habit of the English aristocracy faded slightly as other snacks became available, other bread related snacks obviously being available during the early 20th century. Grainger's Worcester, Temples or Broseley, in a beautiful orange design, nice condition for its age, and not a lot of money considering its age, provenance and condition. Available for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. Just follow the link below, should take you through. Do have a look at the trios we've got in this design, they are stunning. Thanks for watching.